Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for tuning in with me today. Today I'm doing I don't even know what part this is anymore at this point, but I'm going to be decluttering my lip drawer today with you guys. So let's just jump straight into this decluttering video. So the first thing I'm going to keep is this L'Oreal Paris glowing lip gloss. I really love this. This is in the shade 04 Shall We Dance. It smells like my childhood. I love it. It sits nice on the lips. It's a beautiful gloss and it's very affordable as well. So the next products that we have here are these four NYX butter glosses. One is in the shade Creme Brulee. The other one is Tiramisu, Fortune Cookie, and Madeline. Yeah, I believe so. I'm keeping all four of these. I love these glosses. NYX glosses are one of the best, so definitely keeping all four shades. I'm definitely gonna keep both of these Essence Shine 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 Wet Look lip gloss. I love these, especially this one in the shade Behind the Scenes, and then this one is more of a kind of color type of gloss, and this one is in the shade Bright One. See, it's a beautiful shade. It's very nice. And then obviously this one is the clear one, but I love both of these. They're very beautiful. So the next three glosses that I'm definitely keeping are all three of my Fenty gloss bombs in the shade Diamond Milk, Fenty Glow, and Fussy. I'm definitely keeping all of these. Love these. I'm definitely gonna keep my iconic London. I just got this one in a BoxyCharm. This is a lip pumping gloss in the shade Love Struck. I'm definitely keeping this one. Also keeping my Dior Attic Ultra Gloss. I had to get super close to read this. Oh my gosh. But this is in the shade Fancy. This lip gloss has sentimental value. My husband bought me this gloss for Valentine's Day. He's not a big makeup guy. Like, he doesn't understand makeup, but he definitely went out his way and got me a few makeup products because he knows I'm super obsessed with makeup. So this has sentimental value, and besides, it's so pretty as well. Also keeping this Dominique Cosmetics lemonade gloss. This is super beautiful. And also keeping my Too Faced Sweet Peach in the shade Poppin' Peach. Also keeping my Alamar gloss in the shade Mother of Pearl gloss, and it says Luna. And then here are these two debatable ones because they're so out there. But this one is the Lime Crime Diamond Crusher in the shade Fluke. This one is so, I can't explain it. Let me just swatch it. Wow. Wow. Do you not see how crazy that is? I honestly feel like keeping it just because it's so out there and it's so beautiful. This is the Buxom Plumping Gloss Polish in the shade Mariah. The applicator is so weird. Like, it's so, I don't know, it's not even a brush. But do you not see how that reflects green, blue? It's not what's in the packaging at all. It's so out there. So I'm decluttering this because this is not for me at all. Now moving on to my nudes, I'm definitely keeping this Smashbox lipstick in the shade Always On. I'm definitely thinking about getting rid of this Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha because I feel like it's so dried out, but the shade, it's so freaking pretty. I feel like I can get some more uses out of it. So I'm keeping this. I'm definitely keeping my Fenty. This is the Stunner Lip Paint. So keeping this, and also keeping the Dose of Colors Stone. I just got this Too Faced Melted Matte and Spell Out. It's super pretty. Also keeping this. And you already know I love this Buxom shade in the shade Getting Warmer. Love this. Also this Kylie Commando. This is such a pretty shade as well. I just don't wear it too often. Ooh, you know what? I need to pull this out. Keeping a lot of my nudes, I feel like they're just gonna stay because I love nudes. Ashton by ABH, keeping my ultimate fave. Also keeping both of these Makeup Revolution lipsticks in the shade Bow Down, and the other one is the Echelon shade. I have a lip liner that matches this. I bought it in a dual. Keeping both of these shades. They're super, super pretty. And keeping the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Soft Spoken. This one's my favorite for that line. And then Sandstorm is another favorite as well. So keeping all of my nudes, of course. Nudes are not going anywhere. This Too Faced Melted Chocolate Liquefied Metallic Lipstick. This is so nice because it does smell like chocolates. I love these. These are so pretty, and you can wear them for every day. I get a lot of everyday use when I do pull these out. It's super nice, and it smells like pure chocolate heaven. Love it. I'm keeping this. Also keeping, I have another one of these Smashbox Always On lipstick in the shade Slay Tan. Love this. Also keeping my Stunna lip paint by Fenty in the shade Unveil. These are so beautiful and they last a long, long time. I also have this NYX Line and Load lipstick in the shade Ride or Die. These are super cool because you can line your lips with them like a pencil, a lip pencil, and also fill it in, obviously, like a lipstick. And the shade is so stunning. I also have this Joe Beauty What a Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Chocolate Chip. But look how beautiful this shade is. Love this as well, keeping. I also have another one of those NYX Line and Load lipsticks in the shade Never Listen. This one's a beautiful shade as well, keeping. And I also have another one by NYX. It's the Brooklyn Thorn. I was born in Brooklyn, so hello. This one is also a beautiful shade. I have this Buxom lipstick in White Russian. I'm going to definitely declutter this because when I bought it, I didn't know it was going to be this light. So, you know, look at that. That's super, super light. That is not me whatsoever. So decluttering this for sure. And we also have this ColourPop lipstick that I'm going to get rid of because it's super old, but it's in the shade Dopey. I have another Too Faced Melted Metal Liquefied Metallic lipstick in the shade Peony. This one's really, really nice. Yeah, this shade is super, super pretty. And this is kind of like an everyday pinky on the go type shade. I have these last three shades in here. I have this Anastasia lipstick in Soft Lilac, which reminds me a lot of Dopey. So I'm definitely keeping, yeah, it's a little bit more pinky, but somewhat similar. So I'm keeping this shade, ABH one as well, called Stripped. Ooh, very nice. Keeping. Now, moving back here where I have more of my bright colors or reds. I have another Too Faced Melted Liquefied Long Ring Lipstick. So this one's not metallic. So this one's called Melted Villain. Now this one I am going, I don't have anything like this. It's so pretty. I want to declutter it, but the artist in me is like, no, are you kidding me? I'm gonna keep it and see if it lasts another declutter. So I have this Ofra one, long-lasting liquefied lipstick in the shade Spell. This is more of a summery shade. It's super pretty though, and it's super vibrant and out there. Don't have anything like this. So I'm keeping this lipstick as well. Maybelline Superstay lipstick in the shade Heroine. I don't like this. I don't like it. It's nice, but to me, it didn't suit me, and I felt like it looked super patchy as the night went through. I used this to go out, and I wasn't feeling it at all. So you know what, I am definitely decluttering this. Next shade I have, this is the Too Faced Comfortable Lip Glaze in the shade It Takes Two to Mango. I love this. This is not going anywhere. Look at how beautiful that shade is. The next two shades I have here are, one is a ColourPop ultra glossy lipstick in the shade Fury Metallic, and this one's nice, but it's really not me, so I'm going to declutter this shade. And we also have this Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Rico, and I'm definitely keeping this lipstick. This is a beautiful deep shade, and it stays all day. I also had a brand new Becca gloss Ocean Jewel collection, a part of that collection. I got the gloss last year when it first came out, and I ran through it, and I was just so obsessed of how it worked and the formula and everything that I had to buy a backup. But I haven't used it because I'm so obsessed with how beautiful it is. I'm also keeping this Too Faced Nip Slip. Don't have to go through that. And then I have these two Bite Beauty lipsticks. One is in the shade Honeycomb, which is an ultimate fave of mine. I love this lipstick. And then I have this one in the shade Fig. It's another beautiful shade, but it's very pinky. So I'm not sure if I'm going to declutter this one or not. I don't want to because Bite Beauty formula is such a great formula. So I might just keep it just for the freaking formula. Like, I have this Jordana lipstick, is one of my favorite lipsticks. Literally one of my favorite. Like, if I had a top 5, this lipstick would be in there. This is the Jordana matte modern matte lipstick in the shade Matte Frappuccino. I freaking love this shade. Look, that's all I have left, but I'm obviously holding on to get rid of it. But look how beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love this shade so much that I went and bought a backup. So I have this one on standby. I have this Maybelline lipstick in the shade 840 Midnight Blue. I honestly bought this because I had a dream that I was wearing blue lipstick like this, and it looked so gorgeous on me. Like, I was living for it. So when I woke up, I just kept having that vision of me in blue lipstick and how gorgeous I looked in my dream, that I was like, girl, you gotta go buy yourself a blue lipstick. And ask me if I've used it since I bought it. Pretty much no. Only when I've swatched it in my room and looked at it and had it sitting on my lips for like 5 minutes, and then it was done. So, but I kept it because it's just such a beautiful shade, and I have nothing like this. Gorgeous, right? Keeping that, and I'm also definitely keeping this Holy Grail lipstick by Maybelline. This is the Baddest Beige. You guys know, if you guys know. Guys, I'm back. I organized my drawer, and it's looking really nice. So everything here I'm going to declutter for one reason or another. And these two products that are on the floor, I'm going to throw in the garbage because they are bad. So we do not want to give this to anyone at all. Now, these 4 products here are the maybes. So I'm going to declutter these 3 shades. Yeah, I think that's more reasonable for me. So yeah, guys, this is the finished lipstick drawer. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this declutter with me. I know it wasn't a massive lipstick declutter, but I feel like I did really good, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed decluttering with me today, and I hope I inspired you to possibly go through your drawers and declutter as well. So if you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.